Everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level speaking lesson, and we're going to be talking about life in the Amazon rainforest. So what do you think it's like in the rainforest? And here's some pictures to give you some ideas. So here's some vocabulary words: tall trees, a monkey, a rainforest, a jaguar, a river, a tribe, a village. And what animals are in the Amazon rainforest? See if you know the names of any of these. So here's a tapir, a sloth, a boa constrictor, a deer, a toucan, a macaw, and an anaconda. And what other creatures can you find? This is a tree frog, a rhinoceros beetle, leafcutter ants, a poison dart frog, a butterfly, and an ant nest. And then here are some plants that you might find in the rainforest. Giant lilies, a vine, a Brazil nut tree, a fern, a heliconia, and an orchid. And what else can you say about the rainforest? So here are some other words. Another tribe, a hut, to deforest, when they cut all the trees down, that's deforest, to collect food, to cut down trees, and to hunt. All right, we're going to read this article, and you can either pause the video and read on your own, or you can follow along as I read. The world's largest rainforest is in South America. It is called the Amazon. Many different plants, animals, and people live in the Amazon. For example, many people know the jaguar. The jaguar can move very quietly through the forest, and it can also climb trees. It eats other animals like tapirs, monkeys, and deer. A sloth is a slow-moving animal that spends most of its time in the trees. Of course, there are many birds, too, like the macaw and the toucan. Rainforest birds often have bright feathers and colorful beaks. Most birds eat insects and bugs. There are many types of snakes, but the most well-known are the boa constrictor and the anaconda. The anaconda spends most of its time in the water, and it generally hunts at night. It eats everything from fish to birds and mammals. Did you know that there are more than 2.5 million species of insects in the Amazon rainforest? There are many beautiful butterflies and large shiny beetles. Perhaps you've seen the rhinoceros beetle, a huge insect that looks for food among the leaves on the forest floor. Also, maybe you know the leafcutter ant, which builds huge underground nests just like humans build cities. There are many different plants in the Amazon. There are tall trees like the Brazil nut tree. There are ferns and flowers like beautiful orchids. There are vines that climb up large trees. Plants provide food for the animals, and they even provide medicine for humans. There are many people who live in the Amazon. Some of them live in tribes and have no contact with the outside world. These tribes use plants and animals for food, shelter, and clothing. Today, people cut down the trees in the Amazon for wood and for farmland. We must protect the Amazon and everything that lives in it. All right, so now see if you can remember any of the things that we read about. And since this is a speaking lesson, you might try speaking aloud just for some practice. And here are some sentence starters to help you answer incomplete sentences. Here are some additional sentence starters. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.